Yeah, as part of the project for the course, we need to build a model to predict the electrical energy output of a combined cycle power plant, which uses a combination of gas turbines, steam turbines, and heat recovery steam generators to generate power. We have a set of 9,568 hourly average ambient environmental readings from sensors at the power plant. So basically, the CSV file consists of these five parameters: the temperature, ambient pressure, relative humidity, exhaust vacuum, and we are trying to predict the net hourly electrical energy output, PE, using the model. So I have used Google's AutoML to run this project, and I created two versions of the model. So this is a snippet of the model, how it looks like. So if I click on models, I ran two models, one with five parameters and one with just two parameters. So this is how it looks like. And by default, the AutoML splits the data into 80% training, 10% validation, and 10% test. I did not change this because it was not required. So I ran the model and chose, so it's a linear regression model, and I've chosen mean absolute error because I think that it's influenced by scale and it's more robust to outliers. So that's the reason why I've gone ahead with MAE, but it's mean average error. And if you see that this is the result of the first model where the R square value is 0.92, I think the model is a fairly good fit. And and basically, if you look at then the feature importance, clearly AT and V have a higher influence on the PE value. So next what I did was I then ran the model with only two features, which is AT and V. So as you see here, the model now has an R square value of 0.96, which I think is a good fit. And even the MAPE is now slightly higher. So the model looks much better with the two parameters chosen, and it is definitely a better fit. This is how the AutoML looks like. These are the two versions or two different versions I ran for the model, and it has different steps which you can do to first import, then train, then model, evaluate, and then deploy the model, and then run the model. So this is the overview of the project. And in terms of the prediction result, I feel even the baseline prediction result is pretty, it is within the range. And both the models have given a good baseline prediction result. And so, yeah, so this was what the model and the project was about. Thank you.